Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I'm gonna share with you all my top 5 eyeliners. So I'm actually including the liquid liners as well as the pen liners as well as the gel eyeliners in the pot as well as the pencil foam. I'm actually including everything in just one video. I don't want to do 2 or 3 kind of videos for all this because I don't have that many products, but I just have a couple of things from each category. So I'm just gonna share all the things, whatever I love about each product. So I'm just gonna share everything with you today in this video. So this is the series that I've already started long back. It is about to get over within few weeks. So let's just begin the video, and before starting, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. I do totally complete different, I do different kind of content there as well. So yeah, let's just start the video. So firstly, I'll tell you all the liquid eyeliners because I have just a couple of them, starting with the high end. I mean, I used to actually love the Kat Von D tattoo liner. It was very good, very black matte finish, long wearing, and it has a very good applicator as well. As you can see, it is so fine and it is almost about to get over, but it had a flexible, but as you can see, the felt tip was very flexible, so it was very easy to create a wing. And it is actually not even felt tip. If you see it properly, it is a brush tip, so it was very easy to do your eyeliner, and it was really black, and it was very comfortable, not making your eyelids dry or won't even feel heavy. But because sometimes there are eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, which are matte but they are very heavy on your eyelids. I don't know what they add in the formula, but this is nothing of that sort. This is seriously very good. I used to love this a lot. I mean, I still have the mini sizes I had got in the sample from Sephora. I have a couple of them still. I actually don't use a lot of eyeliners now. I don't know why I've stopped using, but whenever I do, I usually use the Fenty Beauty and the Kat Von D ones because they are very good. Pen version makes it very easy, still very good, but now I like the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner more than this one. The Fenty Beauty and the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner has a similar price point, so depending on which brand you prefer or whatever you like, you can actually choose this. And going on to the Fenty Beauty one, this is the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. This is the liquid long wearing liner, and as you can see, it has a triangular shape, so it is easy to just hold. And this has a felt tip, it doesn't have a brush tip, but even this is very black. Even this is about to get over, and this is actually much blacker than the Kat Von D one, and it has a very nice finish. It is not the shiny ones. I don't love the shiny eyeliners. I love a good matte jet black eyeliner. So the Kat Von D one is for $21, and in Dubai Sephora Middle East it is for 105 dirham. This is the mini size. I'm not talking about the mini size, I'm talking about the full size, which is the bigger one. That is for $21 and for 105 dirhams. And the Fenty Beauty one is for $22, and on Sephora Middle East it is for 110 dirham. So depending which one you prefer, brush tip or a felt tip, you can actually buy any one of those. Fenty Beauty also has the mini size one online, I think, with the eyeshadow primer. So if you want, you can actually try out that first, and if you like it, you can obviously go for the fuller size, bigger size. I also have the Huda Beauty one. I like it, but I mean, it is very long lasting, more than 24 hours it will actually last you. The liquid side will actually last you for more than 24 hours, but the pencil side one will actually not last you for a very long time. So this is the pencil side. This is how it looks. It is so matte. I had done a dedicated video for this. Actually like this eyeliner, but sometimes it gets a little bit drying and it gets a little bit goopy in the bottle. And actually I don't use eyeliners as much. Sometimes if I am doing a very intense eye look, then I use it. Nowadays I don't even use eyeliner even if I'm doing an intense eye look. But even the Huda Beauty liquid eyeliner is very good if you want to go for it. It is 2-in-1, so you will get the liquid as well as the gel eyeliner in just one tube, so it is very easy to travel with, and you don't need 2 separate things. So I mean, for traveling, I mean, even for every day, you can just buy this. And if you love a good very intense eyeliner, Huda Beauty eyeliner is very good. The Huda Beauty liner is for $25, pricier than the Fenty Beauty as well as the Kat Von D one, but in dirhams it is for 110 dirhams, similar to the price of the Fenty Beauty ones. Get two things in one, and the liquid one is very black, too black. I mean the blackest of all the gel liners that I have, so it is also a very good eyeliner if you want to try, and if you want two things in one, this is a very good eyeliner. And going on to liquid liners, but now I'm showing you the drugstore one. The NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner is very good. I think this is one of the best liquid eyeliners from drugstore. I mean NYX is a little bit pricier than Maybelline and Wet n Wild, but it is very good actually, and it has a brush tip. It is actually very flexible, and it is easy to move it around. Yeah, it is very fine. Really black, and it is matte. It doesn't have a shiny finish, and usually NYX here, even here in Middle East, NYX is always on offer. In lifestyle shop also, buy two get one or 30% off, 50% off, so you can actually purchase this. And because Wet n Wild is my favorite brand, but I am not a big fan of the eyeliners and mascara, so I can't actually recommend those. And if you want to buy any gel eyeliners which come in a pot version, Maybelline has the best gel eyeliner in a pot. That is, I think, the Studio something. I am not sure the name. I actually forgot the name. But I used to use that when I was in college every day. But it is a very good gel eyeliner, and seriously it is one of my favorite, but I don't use it now. But it is also very good. And also the NYX white eyeliner, these are also very good if you want to create any look, and if you need a white eyeliner, this is really good. But I actually don't like these color ones, these bright neon colors. They are very drying. I mean, once you finish using it, I mean when you are done with the look, it kind of cracks and it is very dry, so I actually don't like it. The colors are very nice for different type of eye looks, but they are not as good as the matte one. So I don't actually recommend those, but I just want to share it with you. The matte one is seriously very good. So in US it is for $7.50, and in Middle East on Namshi or Lifestyle it is for around 42 to 45 dirhams, and if you find it on a deal, much cheaper price. And if you are from India, you can actually get NYX from Nykaa, and on Nykaa there is a lot of deals. I mean, there are the best deals you can actually find for every brand. Then going on to the pen one, I actually don't have the one that I used to use every day, but I have this Essence Super Fine Eyeliner Pen, and this is the this is the eyeliner pen. As you can see, it has a super fine felt tip. As you can see, it is so blackest of all the eyeliners that I have used. It is very good. And there is one more which has the name in, I think, blue one. If I get a picture, I'll put it here, but that is also very good. And Essence is very cheap. You will get the eyeliner for around 15-20 dirhams, and I think even on Nykaa you will find, and in US obviously you will find it, and it would be for a couple of dollars. But I think it is very affordable and very good, because if you love eyeliners and you use it every day, you will finish it off very soon. But the only thing is it dries up very fast, so I think it won't last you till the entire month, so you will actually have to buy couple. Just close the lid properly and that will help you. Then going on to the pot liner, this is from Inglot and the number is 77. This is the gel eyeliner, and it is very black, very good black gel eyeliner, and similar to the Maybelline Gel Studio eyeliner. It is very good. And I mean, it is a bit pricey. Inglot is a bit pricey, but it is very good, very black. I mean, jet black matte gel liner. If you love a good gel liner which is very black, this is the one, and it is in the number 77. So it is pretty good, and this is smudge proof, so once you use it, once it sets, it will actually set and won't move around. So it is for $17. I am not sure here. I think in store you can obviously find, but I think you can find it on 6th Street. It is for around 100 dirhams if you find it. If you find Inglot also on offer, really good, because usually even Inglot has offers like buy two get one. Then going on to all the pencil eyeliners. Firstly, I'll show you the high-end ones, then I'll show you all the drugstore ones. So firstly, I love all the Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner, whether be it the matte one or the glitter one or satin one, whatever it is. I seriously actually love these a lot. They are very good. I actually had got these when there was a really good sale on Marc Jacobs product, and I got it for a much cheaper price. I think these are for around 110 or 120 dirhams, and I got it for around 45-50 dirhams each. So I actually really love those, and the packaging is color coded, so you can actually see which color you are using and which color you want to use. So they are actually very good, very creamy, and it stays for a longer period of time. So I really love those. They are actually for $26, and here in Middle East Sephora they are for 115 dirhams. They have two types. One is this in this packaging, which looks like this, and then you have one more from Marc Jacobs as well, and this is their super fine. I think this is their ultra skinny one, and I have only one shade in the shade Cinderella. So this is gray eyeliner, but just be careful. Once you twist it, you can't actually retract back the pencil accordingly to how much you want to use. Just twist it accordingly. So this is very fine, as you can see, very fine than this one. So you have two different types, and I think the ultra skinny one is specifically for just your waterline. That is why I think that it is that fine, but I think the price point is very similar. Then going on to the Urban Decay eyeliners 24/7 eye pencil. They have different formulas: matte, satin, metallics, shimmers. So they have a ton of shades, and whenever they release any kind of an eyeshadow, they usually have 2 or 3 pencils along with that. So you have a lot of options. It is very good, very creamy. It stays for a longer period of time, and it is for 99 dirhams and for $22. So depending which one you prefer, you can actually buy, and if you find it on sale, on discount, really much better. Seriously, they are very good, and I actually have a couple of them. I'll just quickly show you. So as you can see, it is very vibrant and seriously very good. I would actually highly recommend the Urban Decay and the Marc Jacobs as well. Going on to drugstore, I have a couple of them. So firstly, we have the LA Girl gel crayons. So recently they have come out with this neon ones as well. LA Girl Shockwave neon eyeliners. These are very good. They are neon colors. So I think you have 5 or 6 shades. I only have 3 of them, but as you can see, they are very neon, and they are pretty good, and they are not very pricey. You can actually find on Glamazil. On, if you are from Middle East, you can find it on Glamazil. You can actually find it on Beauty Bay, and they are very good. And they have these ones also, which is their LA Girl Glide On Gel Liner. So these are the eyeliners. I have a couple of them because I think I had got it from Glamazil only, but I had got it for around, it was, I think there was some sale, or I'm not sure. I have a couple of these more in my collection, but they were for around 10 or 15 dirhams each. I mean, they're not very pricey, but I got it for a much cheaper price, and they are very good, and they have a lot of shades. The neon one has, I think, 6 or 7 shades. There are reds, blues and oranges as well, pinks as well, and these ones have a lot of shades. I mean, they are very good, and you will find a lot of shades: black, silver, golden, bronze, blue, purple, everything you'll find in these ones, and they are very good, very creamy, and I seriously love this. There's a brown shade which I love a lot, and I use it every day. This is, I have the shade brown. This is a very nice, good brown eyeliner. I actually love a good brown eyeliner. They are for $5, but I'm not sure now on Glamazil whether it is available or not. And going on to nude crayons, I have 2 of them. If you don't want to use any black or brown eyeliner and you want something which will actually make your eyes look bigger, I have 2 of them. One is from Essence. This is the Extreme Long Lasting Eye Pencil, Easy Glide and Waterproof in the shade Silky Nude. So this is the nude crayon, and then I have one more from Rimmel, which is the Exaggerate Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade In the Nude. So these are very good. These are very good, and they are very creamy. So these two are the shades. So this one is from Essence. It is much lighter than the Rimmel one, but I think I prefer this one. This is much lighter, and it is very good, very affordable. These Essence one are also for around 11 to 15 dirhams, so very affordable. Then I have one eyeliner which I really love a lot, which is from L'Oreal. This is the Kajal Magique eyeliner bold. This is seriously very good. I was always a big fan of the Maybelline eyeliners. I really love those, the Maybelline Closel one. I actually love this kajal a lot. It is jet black, very creamy, very long lasting, and if you want to do a very nice bold smoky eye look, this is seriously very good with it. But once you set it, once it is set, it won't move. It is very good, and I actually love it a lot. And it is a retractable pencil, so you don't need to actually sharpen it. Then lastly, if you love a good brown eyeliner, the one from LA Girl is very good, and this Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner in the shade dark brown. This is also seriously very good, and it is a very nice brown color. As you can see, it is very nice. Not the brown which has red tones in it, but a proper nice brown color. This is very creamy. And I'll just swatch the LA Girl one. They both are very similar. So this is the LA Girl one, and this is from Maybelline. They both are pretty good. So these are all the eyeliners that I actually use, and I have only these. I don't have a lot because nowadays I am not actually interested in a lot of black eyeliners. I'm not sure why, but I actually don't use a lot. A good brown eyeliner is seriously very good, and it looks very beautiful if you want to use something for every day. It looks much more natural. Guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below which brands do you prefer for eyeliners. I don't have a lot of things from high-end, so better to buy from drugstore because they are good. Maybelline has amazing eyeliners. Even the LA Girl ones are very good. So yeah, you can choose, and you have a variety of eyeliners to choose from. So anyways guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. And if you are wondering, I actually had done this simple makeup using Sephora samples, full face using Sephora sample. That video might already be up on my channel, so just go there, check it out and see how I did this look. Nothing great as such, but still. Anyways guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.